This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trey Decker. Cute 3-bedroom 1.5 bathroom home located in Machipongo, on the Eastern Shore. New stainless steel appliances installed in the kitchen. Exterior foundation block and rear deck professionally painted. Interior of the property has also been professionally painted throughout. Oversized detached garage in the rear. Property is located on a large, private lot. Sunroom and deck off the rear of the home. For more information, review the details below.